Hi everyone, Happy Navratri. Welcome to Festive Series 2022. I am back with my Festive Series, guys, and for everyone who's new here, Festive Series is something which I do every year on our channel. It starts around Navratri and it ends around Diwali, and I do a bunch of festive content during these few weeks. I'm kickstarting this series with a tutorial on this particular look. This is obviously a very simple look and it is not something out of the box, but it is a look which everyone can do and everyone can wear. I'm going to link all the products that I'm going to use today in the description box below. You'll find all the shade names and names of the products and everything over there, so please check it out. Now let's begin the first tutorial of Shiv's Festive Series 2022. Let's start with the base first, guys. I'm using Maybelline Dewy+Smooth Primer. Next, I'm going to use Colorbar Weightless Foundation. This is in the shade FC 4.1. This is actually quite weightless, guys. Really like this foundation. It's so light. And I'm going to blend this with SAC Cosmetics Cloud Sponge. SAC Cosmetics is our brand. For concealer, we're going to use L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Honestly, I was saving this concealer, like this is almost over, but I was still saving it because this was out of stock on Nykaa for the longest time, yeah. I am glad that it is back in stock. And talking about out of stock items, I am going to use our Snackables, which are our brand's mini sponges, to blend this concealer. We are hoping to bring them back in stock in another month's time, hopefully. Setting the base with Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Next, we are going to do light contouring with Kiko Milano bronzer. This is in the shade Biscuit. Next, I'm going to fill up my brows with K-Beauty Chestnut Eyebrow Pencil. I actually always prefer eyebrow pencils with a spoolie because it's just so handy. This one is really good, but unfortunately it doesn't come with a spoolie. So I always have to use like a separate brush for it. Next, I'm going to set my eyebrows with Maybelline Tattoo Brow 3-Day Styling Gel. This I bought from Myntra. I've not seen it on Nykaa. Never tried it, so let's see how it is. It's quite nice, but it has made my brows slightly darker than how I like them. It's a pretty thick gel, guys. It really works like a setting spray for brows. Not bad. Let's get to eye makeup now. This is a beginner-friendly eye makeup. It's going to be very simple, guys. First, I'm taking my Kiko Milano bronzer and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. You can use any light brown color from any eyeshadow palette if you want. Next, I'm using KIRO Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Peachy Gold, and it's a beautiful nude shimmery color. So I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Whenever I'm applying an eyeshadow stick, I put very light pressure on my eyelid. Like I don't like really poke it hard on my eyelid. I'm done with the application of this color and look how pretty it looks, dude. It is so pretty. I love this shade. After applying that shimmery shade on both my eyelids, I'm going to do a bit of cleanup with the bronzer again. Next, I'm taking K-Beauty Gel Eye Pencil in the shade Bronze and I'm going to apply it close to my lash line. Next, I'm grabbing an angular brush. This is just an eyebrow brush from Morphe, and I'm going to blend this line a little bit with the golden shimmery color. You know, these eye pencils set very quickly on the eyelids. You have to be pretty fast when it comes to blending them. I'm going to quickly apply the bronzer which we applied on the crease on my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm going to use this mascara from Sugar. It's called Uptown Curl. I've actually never used it. I got it in PR, so I'm trying it only today. I'm not going to use false lashes for this look. Now moving on to blush. For blush, I'm using Milani blush in the shade Dolce Pink. I'm going to make my blush neater and clean up the under eye area with Pack HD powder. This is a really good product, guys. It brightens up your under eye area and it also gives this really soft effect to the makeup. I really like this powder as a finishing powder. Now for highlighter, I'm going to use e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. Because this is a liquid highlighter, it is supremely pigmented. I ended up overdoing the inner corners of my eyes, so I'm going to fix it a little bit and then come back. It took a little bit of time to fix this. I had to apply the concealer to cover it and then I applied a little bit of highlighter again. My advice would be to not use a jelly highlighter in the inner corners of your eyes, or if at all you're using, then use the end part of the handle of a thin brush. I applied this with the handle, not with the brush. It's a very pretty highlighter, just a little tricky to work with. For my lips, I'm going to wear this very pretty pink color. It is from Lakme. It is their liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Silk. Lastly, I'm going to set my base with NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Fixer. This is the final look, guys. I am back in my kurtas. I actually opened my cupboard and I was like, okay, it's time to get all the traditional clothes out, all the kurtis and kurtas out. For next 2-3 videos, you can expect me to create only traditional looks. I am really looking forward to it. And honestly, because I have started concentrating on short form content as well, so there is a lot of content which I have planned for Instagram. I'll probably cross post it for people who are not on Instagram. They can check it out on YouTube. I'll start doing that too. Also, there's just one more thing which I wanted to talk about. I had been really confused this year about the kind of looks that I should create. I know that a lot of people like to see wearable makeup looks, and very complicated makeup looks are not something which everybody likes. So I definitely want to do something which is wearable, but at the same time which looks nice on everyone. If there is any particular kind of look that you want to see, then please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm gonna try and create it. I can do a lot of crazy looks as well, like crazy colorful looks, but I understand that is really not something which anyone would do. I definitely want this festive series to be easy and simple for everyone. I really want you guys to try the looks that I create and not just watch it because it's there, you know. Apart from that, please check out our brand Snack Cosmetics and House of Sharma. We are planning to bring newer things and increase our collection. Please check it out. Let us know your feedback. Let us know what you feel about it. Snack Cosmetics is just a baby. Like, it's not even been a month since we launched it. Please have a look and let me know what you think. Also, if you do like something, then consider buying it. I'm going to end this video right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.